Hello and welcome to the lodge lobby. It has been updated just like everything else in all of our hotels. You'll see a comfy waiting area here where you can check out the happenings here on the resort. Brand new front desk with a nice front desk agent. You'll see our lodge lobby where you can pick up some great souvenirs to bring home to the family and friends. And my personal favorite part of all of the renovations, Bar 81. This is one of the coolest places to hang out on property, and after a long day of golfing and taking lessons, a real fun place to unwind. Okay, we are in one of the newly updated lodge rooms. Every room in the lodge has been updated, and as you can see, they are great rooms. They've got new beds, new flat screen TVs, new furniture everywhere, new carpet, paint. Everything has been touched in these rooms. They are a great place to stay, very comfortable and warm, and of course they're at beautiful Treetops. So you can see we've got desks, we've got an awesome kitchenette here with everything that you would need to enjoy your stay. And my absolute favorite part are the new bathrooms. So as you pull around over here, you'll see the new bathroom areas, complete with a great shower. Welcome to the inn and the new lobby. So this is quite a big change as well. We've got this new fireplace area where the front desk used to be. You can see, just like the lodge lobby, everything has been updated in here as well. Nice little sitting area over here. And one of the coolest parts, if you walk right this way, you can see the pool area out there covered with snow. I promise that snow won't be here when you get here. But a really cool game room, which is a fun place to unwind. Here's one of the brand new rooms in the inn. And just like the lodge, everything has been updated. We've got some nice new beds, great furniture, flat screen TVs, and everything is clean and warm and very, very comfortable and pleasant place to stay. Come on over here, you'll see the bathroom area, complete with the brand new showers, which are my favorite part of the new rooms.